Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Palworld and you keep getting this error, fail to EOS Login with error timeout, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Palworld easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Palworld, click Properties, install files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. And once it's done verifying your game's files, you're going to click on to browse here to open up Palworld's games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. Here it is. Right click on Palworld Win64 shipping, click Properties, Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to right click on your network connection if you have an internet connection. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on it, click Properties, untick Internet Protocol version 6, and then go into Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 1.1.1.1, in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1, after that click OK again, and then close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play Palworld, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.